Hi everyone, Jess here, and today I'm joined with Marjan Rintel from KLM. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Yes.
So, as a flag carrier, how is KLM working to align its environmental strategies with the country's wider goal of becoming a leader in sustainability?
Well, to become a leader, it's really important to show the way and take responsibility in the first place. And there are different ways to achieve the targets. So we're buying new fleet. We invest billions in new fleet, and if you compare a 747 and an Airbus 350, it's immediately 50% noise reduction, 40% CO2 reduction. We buy a lot of sustainable aviation fuel as Air France and KLM. We buy like 16%, and we invest in operational processes to reduce waste and a lot of other things. But the main thing is, how can we work together as an industry? How can we work together with governments? How can we work together with the EU to at least develop sustainable aviation fuel, have more supply against reasonable prices, so it's affordable as an industry? And that, of course, at the end, corporates, passengers, customers, they all need to at least pay for their soft part as well, so that we're really doing it together.
Of course. And you've touched on some really interesting and important initiatives. How does technology fit into actioning these?
Yeah, we discussed a lot already this morning about technology, and technology is really needed for two things. For customer facing, customers are used to technology and they want smooth operational processes to have smooth customer process by checking in, the onboard process. But also in this area of time, with all the geopolitical tensions and the big supply chain issues we have, we need, for example, predictive maintenance to at least know in time we need to replace A, and therefore we need to order it already, that at the end you don't have cancellations. You don't want to have cancellations for your customers. So it's both. It's operational processes, it's for reducing costs, and it's for the customer facing and to add more value.
Fantastic, thank you for elaborating on that. And if we take a step back, what are the major trends we're seeing with digitalisation, and how do you foresee these shaping the industry for the future?
The digital transformation?
Yeah.
In different ways. So the use of AI, the use of what do we want to do ourselves and what can be done by automation, what can be done in other ways. We have a very tight labor market in the Netherlands, so if we can replace some tasks, it's more easy. And there are different opportunities, like I said, to reduce waste for catering on board. We did it already with AI, 60% reduction of waste. But also if you look at if we know how many customers we have on board, how many passengers we have on board, how many cargo we have on board, how many baggage we have on board, we can use the airplane and fill it up more. And sometimes it's even a 20% difference. So it's huge.
Absolutely. And then thinking about the event, why did you choose to partner with World Aviation Festival, and how do you think it leads to tangible change in the industry?
Well, the airlines, what we do is connecting people to the world and bringing people together. That's what's done today. So therefore, I think it's important to be here. The other thing is, we can only build the future if we build it together. And it's regarding sustainability, the use of technology, acknowledge what are the main topics which need to be solved. And therefore connection of the system, which is here today, connecting of people, which is our ambition at all. It's necessary to build for a bright future.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for joining me here today.
Thank you so much. Bye.